Greetings. Today I am here to tell you about a program called Screencast-o-Matic. You can get to this website by typing in Screencast-o-Matic.com. Alright, so once you type that into your browser, it will bring you to this screen. You can go ahead and get logged in. Click in log in if you have an account. Otherwise, you want to go ahead and sign up. You can go ahead and start recording. Once you click on that, it will ask you to launch the free recorder. It is a program, so you'll download it. It'll download to your computer. Click on it, and then it will launch, and then recording, or you can begin recording. Your screen will then look like this. So this will come up. You can make this box larger or smaller depending on what part of the screen you want to be in your video. Now you can opt to not be in the video that you record, or you can just do your webcam or do both like I am doing. So with my, when you do both, you will be seen in the upper right or left corner of your screen. This lets you know that your voice is being heard, so you might want to check that before you hit record just to make sure your microphone is working. Now keep in mind the maximum time that you can record is 15 minutes. I generally like to keep it under 5, but that's just me personally. There is always a paid version. Of course, you'll get more. You'll get more with the paid versions. Free version, you get a few good features that are definitely necessary for you to make this a good program. The Deluxe and Premier is also available to you. The Deluxe is $1.50 a month, which is billed annually. That works out to $18 for the year. You can add more, draw on your screen, zoom in, record, and you can just take a look at that when you get to the website. Just click on pricing. Again, just depends on how often you plan to use this and what you're using it for. If you need all of those features, go ahead and pay that. But again, the free version has all of the features that I need it for, so I just did to the free version. Alright, so then you will log in. Again, you can opt to use your personal email or your school email, totally up to you. Launch your free recorder, it'll download for you, then you'll see this screen. If you have any questions, please feel free to send me an email at chendricks@rockbell.k12.ga.us. Alright, hope you enjoyed my video. I hope it was helpful. Have a wonderful day.